Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by powering the iPhone and signing into an Apple ID so settings, photos, and purchases sync. Once done, join a trusted Wi-Fi network to speed setup and downloads. Make sure to create a 6-digit passcode and configure Face ID or Touch ID. This protects data and speeds unlocking for apps and payments. You'll also enable iCloud backups so data saves automatically. This is essential before installing many apps or transferring from an old device. Now customize how you interact with the iPhone, rearrange apps, create folders, and rely on the app library to hide clutter. Once you download apps from the App Store, sign in and grant only necessary permissions like location or camera. This preserves privacy and battery. Then configure notifications, focus modes, and do not disturb so alerts don't interrupt you, and add widgets and control center shortcuts for fast access to key settings. These steps make daily use faster and safer. Finish by verifying backups and security. Trigger a manual iCloud backup so you know recovery works, then update iOS to the latest version and review storage to free space when needed. Make sure Find My iPhone is active so you can locate or erase a lost device. If something goes wrong, try restarting your iPhone first, then reset network settings for connectivity issues, and as a last resort restore from an iCloud backup. This sequence resolves most problems and keeps your device working.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.